Hi everyone, Mrs. Welsh here. Just wanted to touch base with you real quick. Here we are in week 2. Hope everything went smoothly for you in week 1. We are going to be talking about the benefits of exercise and fitness this week. I actually will make this very short as an introduction in this video. Then what I want you to do is to watch the video on the benefits of exercise and fitness and then take the quiz. So we do have 16 weeks ahead of us, and I will be talking to you next week about setting goals and setting some SMART goals. And anyone who has weight loss as one of their goals, or even just exercising for the benefits that you'll learn about this week, you can just do short little videos. And what I did was I picked 2 quick little videos that I'd love to have you watch. They are 10-minute in length. So what you can do is do 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening, or fit it into your schedule somehow. But they're real simple exercises. If we were in class, we'd be on the track, on the treadmill, on the elliptical, on the weight machines, doing all sorts of exercising in person, and we don't have that as an option. So I will just periodically put some videos that you can try out. No machines, no equipment of any sort needed. So you can just do them on the floor. There's a little time clock in the corner, so it's a real quick 10 minutes, and they're wonderful workouts. So hopefully you'll take advantage of them and give me some feedback. Let me know what you think, and get the benefits of exercise and fitness. So do your assignment, contact me if you have any questions, and have a great week.